I'm gonna show you how to get rid of your cough with this instead of this. So the over-the-counter cough suppressants work great, right? They're gonna get rid of the cough, but it's also gonna affect the way your brain works, your mood, your thoughts. Cough suppressants have an ingredient called dextromethorphan. Child, it has meth in it. So I'm gonna give you a better way. Long before the pharmaceutical industry, we had nature. So I'm gonna help you make some cough syrup for you and your family for any time of the year. I crushed some garlic bulbs and I threw them in this bowl. I cut mine into smaller pieces because I have little ones. Covered all that garlic with honey. And we're gonna ferment this for 30 days, opening it every few days to let it breathe.